Welcome back to dptutorials.
In this video, let us learn about the Box and Whisker chart. Purpose: a Box and Whisker plot, or also called as box plot, is a convenient way of visually displaying the data distribution through their quartiles. The lines extending parallel from the boxes are known as the whiskers, which are used to indicate variability outside the upper and lower quartiles. We have the data readings of 3 teams, and let's create a Box and Whisker chart now. Select the range from B6 to D16, go to Insert tab, click on Statistical Charts, click on Box and Whisker. Customize the chart. Let me remove the grid lines, chart title, and we'll explain this in detail. Right click on chart and add data labels for first team A. The basic elements in this chart are box, and these lines are called as whiskers. Edges of box are called as quartiles, and the value at center is the mean. You can see the values that I have calculated here just for explaining. What is quartiles? Quartiles divide a data set into 4 equal parts. 25th percentile of the data is called first quartile, 50th percentile of the data is called median, 75th percentile of the data is called third quartile. The interquartile range IQR is the range between Q1 and Q3 and represents the middle 50% of the data. Mean is the average of the data. The minimum and maximum values indicate the smallest and largest data points respectively. So if you see here, lower whisker is -30, whose value can extend up to the minimum value, and upper whisker value is 287, whose value can extend up to the maximum value. So in this way, you can analyze the distribution of the samples data. And here are some of the samples for your reference. So this is all about the Box and Whisker chart. Box and Whisker charts are incredibly useful for visualizing the distribution and variability of your data. They help you quickly identify the range, median, quartiles, and outliers. By following these simple steps, you can create and customize your own Box and Whisker charts to enhance your data analysis.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.